Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss the example 1e of rectangle, and the statement is a thin rectangular plate of sides 50 mm by 25 mm has its shorter side in HP and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the VP. Project its front view when its top view is perfect square of 25 mm side. So as per given condition, the rectangle is resting on one of its short side. So we draw its true shape. As per true shape, we keep short side which is in HP towards left, that is this AB towards left, and this large side like this. So when we see it from the front, we observe a line and we give the nomenclature to the line like A dash, B dash and D dash, C dash. Now, as per our regular practice, the next step is we have to make the surface angle. But in this case, the surface angle is not given. The angle given over here is angle made by a short side, that is this AB, with HP, with VP. So instead of the surface angle, we have the condition that the top view is a perfect square of 25 mm side. So we are going to use this condition. So when we see from the top, we can see exact 25 mm square. So now I am going to draw the projections from this BC as well as from AD. At sufficient distance, I am going to connect it. So I consider this as point A and this as point B. And now I'm going to make these lines faint. So from this point A, I'm going to measure distance 25. So now I'm going to open polyline command. So this B to A distance is 25. So from A, I travel towards right, then I enter 25 in command line and then press enter. Then connect these 2 points. So this is also 25 distance and connect these points. So this is 25. So this is the square of perfect square of 25 mm distance. So when we measure this distance, so this is 25. So I open the text command and I'm going to give the nomenclature to the points. So this is point A, this is point B, C and D. Change the color. So this color is red. Now I take the projections. So this is projector of AB, and now take the projections from this CD. So now this A dash D dash distance is 50. So now I'm going to take circle command, circle radius, center radius option in the circle command. So this point is a center and I'm going to add radius as 50. So this intersection of this line and circle is a position of D dash C dash. So now connect it. So this is point A dash B dash. I just off this ortho mode, and this intersection point is D dash C dash. Now trim the circle or delete it. I can select this circle and I'm going to delete it and trim this unwanted line, extra line. Make these two lines, make these projection lines faint. Now give nomenclature to the points. So this is A dash B dash, and this is D dash C dash. So this distance is 20. This AB is already 20. It is measured over here. This is the surface angle. Now make this line red and measure the surface angle. So it is 60. So this is our second step, and here in this step, instead of surface angle, we use the condition that the top view shape is given to us, and by using that top view shape we find out the surface angle. Now in last step, that this AB makes an angle 30 degree with VP, so we are going to copy it. I place it at certain distance, press escape, select it, open rotate command. So A is our base point. Click on reference. A is first reference, B is second reference. And enter angle as 30. Press enter. So now I select this and move it in upward direction like this. Now I can take projection of A. Make sure that ortho mode is on. This is projector of A dash. Similarly, projector of from B. This is projector of B dash. Projector, draw the projections from D dash C dash. Get new position of C dash and new position of D dash. Now select these lines, make them faint. And trim unwanted part of the projection lines. Open polyline command. This is point A, A dash. This is point B dash. Off for the ortho mode. This is point C dash, and this one is point D dash. Select it, change its color to red, add the nomenclature. So this is A dash, this one is B dash, this one is C dash, and this point is D dash. Measure the distance and angle. So this angle is 74. Measure angle of this AB. It should be 30. So it is correct. And measure distance between D dash and C dash. So this is 22. So here in this case, instead of surface angle, we were having the top view dimensions. Accordingly, we get the surface angle, and then we rotated the top view as per given condition, and we get the final front. So this is the entire solution. Thank you.